Hi guys, and welcome to the Voice of AI. My name is Chris Plant, and it's time now for my tutorial in Photoshop Generative AI. So AI Generative Fill is really good from Photoshop and can be used for anything along the lines of artwork and also through your interior design. And you can see my interior design tutorial here. However, today we're going to talk about how we're going to enhance artwork and create an interior design. So what we're going to do is enhance that visual presentation with Generative AI Fill to create captivating interior luxury and contemporary backgrounds. Now a little on our featured artist today, Susie Barker. She's a celebrated published artist based in Eton, Berkshire in the UK. She's notable for her captivating large-scale abstract work, and she's been kind enough today to let me use some of her work to create some of these inspiring backgrounds that we're going to make together. So should you wish to get in touch with Susie, her website susiebarker.co.uk and details are available in the YouTube description. Okay, so let's jump into it right now. And so let's start off with some of Susie's great artwork, and I'll just show you a few different pieces that she's got here as we skip through. They're really beautiful pictures. I really like these very much. There's some great colors in here, and look, you can see the detail. If we zoom in on this one here, look, there's some fantastic brush strokes. You can see how she's put these paintings together with some great techniques that she's used, and lots of different colors, very vibrant, some really nice effects here as well that she's got. And what we're going to do is we're going to take one of these paintings now, we're going to pop it onto a background to show you just how we can make up some really exciting visual images to impress the clients. I really like this painting a lot, so we're going to take this one now, and I've copied it into Photoshop already, and we're in Photoshop beta version with AI Generative Fill. And what I'm going to do is show you here, I've already selected the background, and look, just with that generative fill, I've managed to already put a beautiful background in there as well, which suits the painting with a great frame as well. You see the second one here is very nice, got the light effects on it. This one's really good too, with a white background and a really nice lounge in the foreground as well. And you can see I've put in the prompt here, create a beautiful setting for this painting in a luxury house with similar colors behind a luxury couch. So I really wanted to try and envisage this, and of course you can change your prompt to whatever you desire. And now we'll generate a few more pictures as well here. Okay, it just takes a couple of seconds, and then we've got our first picture again. We've got a nice lamp on there. Look at the angle of the room, looks really good. It really suits the painting there as well, with that gold filler on the background as well. Really looks great. So let's have a look at the other two now. This is a nice one as well. I love the gold curtains, and the lounge couch really suits that as well. And again here, you know, you really get some great ambiance as well. You've got a whole living room area there, and this really is a great opportunity to show it. Generative AI Fill provides really realistic visualizations, all in different settings, just altered by your prompts, and this will help buyers envision how the artwork could look in their own space. And of course it shows compatibility with various interior decor styles to appeal to that wider range of buyers. So you can really set up 2 or 3 different types of background. Okay, so here's another painting that I've selected that's really nice too. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the object selection tool here, select the painting and invert that image, and then we've got the selection around. And now what I'm going to do is put my generative fill in again, the same command as before, the same prompt, and let's just generate now. And you can see again straight away we've got some great imagery, and it's such a simple prompt. Look at that great orange sofa on that one as well. You can see how the selection tool is still there, and then we've got the third one, which is this really great luxurious couch, and it just shows off the painting so well. It just really looks very good indeed. So you can see how easy this is to do. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go back and have a look at Susie's artwork again. That's the one that we started with. So let's come through again and try to pick another piece of art that we like. And there's one I really like in here again. I mean, they're all gorgeous, but let's go for the really nice, vibrant, this really great, vibrant pink color. So I'm going to copy this now. Let's just grab hold of that one now and open that in Photoshop, my Photoshop beta, and here we are in Photoshop now, and we're going to do the same again. I'm going to just copy that picture out there, and I'm going to just deselect the backgrounds here, and then I'm going to create a new layer and just paste it in here. So here we go, just put the image in here as well. Okay, there it is. And now let's just scale that image, just grab the corner points and bring that in here like this, and then pop that around. And I always want to put it central in the room where I think that's going to be. I'll probably just make that a little bit smaller. But as long as it's central in the room, or where the imaginary room will come from, then you'll see exactly how it can be. So there we go. We've just scaled that image nicely there. I've actually scaled it a little bit in the width as well, but I think that doesn't matter just for this purpose here. But obviously the painting is a slightly different format now. But here we go. So let's do the same again. We're going to go to the generative fill. We're going to pop in the command again, the same prompt. I'm really happy with that prompt, and I'm just going to generate the new images. And here it is. So look, we've got a lovely leather couch there with a great drop background, a nice red couch there as well. Oh, this looks good as well with the multiple colored cushions on there. So we just run it again. And look, we've got this beautiful purple couch with some great cushions on it again, and the really good lighting effect. So I think this is one of the best things that the generative AI is useful for. And that was a nice leather couch to finish up on as well. And if you're an aspiring designer or even looking to automate your workflow, incorporating generative fill and Photoshop AI is a complete must. Well, that's it for today, but thanks for watching the video. And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to our channel for more AI-related content and tips. And join me on the journey to unlock the potential of AI. If you've got any questions or feedback, especially about Photoshop, please leave them in the comment section below, and I'll see you next time. All the very best. I'm Chris from The Voice of AI. Cheers, and bye-bye now.